This is Mbago, the strong woman of Oendida, who is feared and revered by all. It is believed that all the spirits of power in the air have possessed her. People are so scared of her because she comes in only when the Dibias have failed, and she has never failed in anything. She refers to herself as the ancient apocalypse.
Who dares enter my territory without an invitation? Show yourself! Stop there!
My child, please help my child. My child is dying. Please help me. Help my child, please. Great one, please, please. Please, great one, please. Please. Great one. My child, oh, my child.
Hey! Your son will not die.
Please.
For I say the purity of your request. Wait.
My only child, my only child.
Hey, woman! Stop there. I am Mbago, one with the 7 spirits of the universe. When I am ready to kill someone, no one can save the person. And when I want to save someone, no one can kill the person. Your child will not die. Take this.
Thank you.
Hold it.
Thank you.
Do not allow it to fall.
Thank you.
You will take your son to Onungene. Beat him with this 3 times. And he will be made whole. Now go.
Thank you, great one. Thank you, great one.
Hey! Important! Do not look back on your way from the stream.
Elders of our land, the gods of Oendida have been very merciful to us.
Yes.
Yes? Our gods have continued to bless us.
Yes. You're right.
All the farmers and all the fishermen that are coming to this palace to see the king, they are all coming happy and rejoicing. And that is why we are here to celebrate. Yeah? We are going to celebrate with the best of wine. Yeah?
Yes. Indeed, my king. The gods of this kingdom, Oendida, are so merciful.
The gods have answered all our prayers. Yes. So why won't we be happy and celebrate?
The gods of our land has given us a lot of prosperity.
Yes.
We need to celebrate.
Yes. And the gods shall continue to guide us.
Yes.
The things we are going to eat are the things that will continue to come to us.
Yes.
All the things that may eat us will never come.
Yes.
We are praying that our farmers, our fishermen, they will continue to smile.
Yes.
Because when they are smiling, we are equally smiling.
Yes.
Even our enemies, we are praying for their progress, as long as they are not standing on our ways.
Yes.
But if our enemies have become our enemies indeed, to the extent that they are planning our downfall, they will be buried right before our eyes. Beautiful Umbago. The one with the beauty that intimidates. You are actually the most beautiful woman I have set my eyes on.
Ezabada of Oendida. Does it mean you do not want to stop?
Why in this world will I stop? When the combination of the sun and the moon rise in your eyes, your beauty mesmerizes my view. I cannot take my mind off you.
But you have to look for a way to do that.
There is no way. Because you are the most beautiful woman I have set my eyes on. That is why I keep coming. What have I not done to let you know that I want you? And you keep resisting me. For how long are you going to resist me? Look around this place. Are you actually comfortable living here alone? You can come with me to the palace because my palace is where you belong. I am going to give you the kind of life you need. Please.
Ezabada, I have told you several times. You cannot have me.
Why?
You cannot. 2 kingdoms do not dwell on one land. One must swallow up the other.
Why are you talking about kingdoms swallowing up the other? Where we are talking about how we feel for one another. Why do you like talking in riddles? Why do you like to talk in riddles?
Ezabada.
You are that very beautiful woman who has already demystified the confusion of age. For more than 30 seasons I have known you. You have remained like this.
And you still desire to have me?
That is why I am the king. Just allow me to take you to a realm where you are going to experience something very different. I am going to make you feel so good.
Ezabada, why are you digging your grave in my territory? Why? I have told you, 2 kingdoms cannot dwell on one land. One must swallow up the other.
I don't know why you are threatening me. It has not gotten to that. We are talking about...
Now, leave my territory. Ezabada, leave my territory. Now!
I will leave. But you are going to agree with me that you are the most beautiful woman that I have set my eyes on.
Ezabada, leave my territory.
I am still wondering why you turned the prince's proposal down. I mean, do you have someone better than him?
Not at all.
So,
But turning him down has nothing to do with him as a person. The truth is, he wasn't mature at that time.
nigga, how can you even say that? Wait, he was not mature, yet he proposed, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, what are you saying?
I don't know how else to explain it for you to understand. But the truth is, he wasn't mature. But right now, he is very mature.
Okay, wait. Are you trying to say if he manages to propose to you right now, you're not going to say no to him?
My friends.
Greetings, my friends.
Greetings.
Okay. I think I have something to actually do at home. I will see you later.
I'll see you later. Go well. My friends.
How are you?
I'm fine. My friend and I we were actually discussing about you before she cited you coming.
I do not want to bother myself asking what you were discussing with me, because I know you can never say wrong things of me.
Are you sure?
Very sure. You know, you are one woman who has captured my heart. Like, only the sight of you makes me feel happy, makes me want to see you more and more over and over again.
Not again with your sweet mouth. No. I bet you have a special charm in your mouth. That is what you use to cast a spell on me.
No. You are the one who cast a spell on me with your enchanting beauty. Take a look at
Oh,
this.
please.
Oh, wait, so you didn't know how beautiful you are?
Tell
Maybe
me
I
about it.
Okay. You are endowed. You are beautiful. You are a goddess. You are...
It's okay. So tell me, how did you know that I'm here?
Well, I used my charm to locate you.
What do you mean you used your charm? Tell me, how did you know?
You did not believe me?
One bit.
All right, I'll confess. I actually went to your hut and your mother told me where to find you.
I thought as much. So, what did you bring for me?
You want to know?
Yes.
A love unseen. A love as pure as the dove. A love as white as the snow. In fact, I brought nothing but a heart full of love.
Thank you. Thank you for all of the gifts that you brought for me. Unseen. Unseen gifts.
I have some.
Really?
Yes, I have a piece for you. My love, I have been thinking about something lately.
What is it?
You have shown me nothing but love and care since I met you. You are the only woman who gives me peace and encouragement. I cannot imagine my life without you. You are everything I think and I want in a woman. And because of this, I want to make you my wife.
Yes.
I will marry you. I want to live with you. I want to be the mother of your unborn children. Yes, I will marry you. I will marry you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I have to tell my father at once. And I promise you we are going to have the best marriage ceremony ever. You have made me the happiest man on earth. I love you.
I love you more.
Oh no, we are looking troubled. What is it?
That is because there is trouble, my king. There is trouble.
Trouble in this land where I rule as king? That is not possible. Okay, what is it? Can you let it out?
My king, live forever. I heard from the council that there will be crowning of King of Kings in Omambala. As in, of all the 12 kings, of the 12 kingdoms of Omambala, one will be selected and crowned King of Kings. The rest of the kings will be under this king. He will be the only one who prays at Abanabo, the central deity of Omambala people. The glory of our Oendida will be submitted to this king. How does this sound to you, my king?
Well, no, the glory of our Oendida will never be submitted under any king. I already heard of this. And if there is anybody who is going to be the king of kings and be qualified to pray at Abanabo, like you mentioned, that king must be me. I need you to go and summon the others.
Right away, my king.
We'll pick it up. King of kings.
Onyeze, may you live long. A man who asks questions does not miss his path. Thank you for letting us know about this. Our gods have given us a lot of prosperity. We lack nothing as a people. Our farmlands are fertile. In my opinion, I would suggest that you let them have that title. You are a great man. You don't need it.
Echebulie, I suggest you keep quiet. That is if you don't know what to say. What do you know about power and greatness? Ichiebulie, do you know what it means to be king of kings? Ezendieze in Omambala, do you know? Who said that our king and kingdom are not worthy of that great honor? Huh? My king, please, forgive him. Just don't mind him. Let us start making preparations for that great day.
Igwe, if I should be allowed to air my views on this matter at this point in time, I would say that when someone is so much in a hurry to pick the palm nut from the furnace of fire, the tendency is that the fingers of such a one will be seared by the fire. Therefore, I suggest that we give some time for thought over this matter. If possible, let us consult the gods. Think about this thoroughly before we come to a conclusion for this matter.
What if I will tell you, or what if you are told that I have already reached a conclusion on this? For me to win this contest and emerge the king of kings, Eze Ndi Eze of Omambala, I knew it that I would be needing a lot of powers. And you, Mbago, the powerful woman of our Oendida, you are the one who readily comes to mind. And that is why I have come to ask you humbly, please, assist me achieve this.
Let us assume that I listen to you and help you to become the king of kings of Omambala. What is in it for me?
Well, without wasting your time, I will tell you that if you do it, I will give you half of my kingdom. I want it to spread far and wide that I am the king of kings, Eze Ndi Eze Omambala.
Eze Ndi Eze of Omambala.
I venture Kambulu.
Is that not too much for one man?
Forget the fact that you have continued to deny me access into the woman in you. That has not taken away the fact that I am indeed a man who is mightier than 10 men put together. I am interested in becoming the Eze Ndi Eze of Omambala because I am indeed the only one who is qualified to have that title.
I will help you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mbago. I knew it, that I can always count on you.
But there is a condition.
Well, nothing for nothing is an ancient rule that is actually older than men. I knew it, that something must have to go in for me to achieve this. Tell me this condition and consider it done.
Come close.
Your Majesty, may you live forever. What I have served you here is your favorite. You have not even touched it. Is everything all right, my king? Apologies, my king. I will check later.
Of all the requests she could have made, why this one?
Who dares come into my territory without an invitation? Show yourself now!
I am the one. Eze Agbada of Oendida Kingdom.
Your Majesty, have you come to grant my requests?
I have actually come to ask you humbly to make another request. This, your very request, is already not so good for my son. My son is engaged to a maiden. And this request of yours is going to destroy their union. Can you please make another request and not this one? Please?
Izabada, you are such a selfish man.
How?
I have made my request and it's final. You have 3 days. 3 days to grant my request. Otherwise, you are at the risk of losing your throne.
What does that mean? I am already the king of Oendida kingdom, and there is no man who can challenge me. I only want to expand my powers by becoming the king of kings. Eze no Mambala. That is all.
And I have told you what you can do to trigger my support for you. When I'm out for you, I'm out for you. Every other contender will step into their shell. I will not have this conversation with you anymore. Music.
Shut up, shut up, shut up. How dare you insult the king by playing a witchaka before me?
What king? The king that cannot take decision as a king does not have the right to show his power in my territory. Egwishaka is my music and you have no right to stop it. Music!
Why is this woman so evil? My biggest problem is that I have already mentioned this position to her. She is going to work against me if I fail to dance to her music. But how can she make a request as huge as this? But when it comes to acquisition of power and authority, a man must do what a man must do.
Quest of power is dangerous. The hunger for power is dangerous. Yeah, the quest for power is dangerous.
Greetings, Father.
Greetings, son. Guards, you please leave us.
What is going on, Father? Why did you dismiss the guards?
My heart has been very heavy for some time now. I know you are a man who has grown to be able to make his own decisions. But I need you to know that my decision is always the best. It is the best for me, best for you, best for the family, and best for the kingdom. A time will always come in the life of a man when he will be required to make a very tough decision. And this is that time in your life.
Father, you're confusing me. And what is this tough decision you speak of?
A revelation was made to me a few days ago. And one way or the other, the revelation I'm talking about is connected to your future. But only one condition was laid before me for it to become a success. Just one condition.
Father, you have not said anything yet. I want you to understand something. I am now a man.
I said so.
Yes. So whatever it is you want to talk about, go ahead, say it, and I will understand you.
I will unleash all the powers within my reach to make sure you become the King of Kings of Omambala.
Thank you.
But on the condition that your son, the Prince Ifekante, becomes my husband.
That was our only condition. Just that.
Father, how can she make this an evil request? No! Wait, Father. What did you say? Did you agree to this request?
Can you please relax and see the brighter side of this?
There is nothing brighter in this. There is nothing brighter in this. Because there is no way I am going to settle with such an ageless woman whom the charm peddling masquerades are even scared of.
This more reason I told you that it is going to be a tough decision for you to make. Listen, royal heads or people who are in royalty must always make tough decisions simply to protect the kingdom.
Father, this has nothing to do with the kingdom. Yes, it has nothing to do with this kingdom. You know, I will not, I repeat, I will not settle with such a woman, a psycho of a woman. No!
Listen to me, son. You are going to become the king of this kingdom someday. And when that time comes, you will realize the importance of this.
For all I know, she's old enough to be my mother. But I cannot.
You know yourself that I am your father. There is no way I will mislead you. Don't you get it? I am not going to lead you to a woman who is going to destroy you because you are my son.
What happens to the woman I have always wanted? No, what happens to that young maiden? Have you ever sat down to ask yourself what is going to happen to this maiden? You want me to settle with such a woman, such an old woman? No. There is something.
Hey, hold it right there. How dare you try to walk out on me? I am still the king of this kingdom. And I am your father. You don't have to disobey me. Ponder on what I have presented to you because that is the way forward. You must have to do it. The consequences of disobedience is going to be very grave.
Quest of power is dangerous. The hunger for power is dangerous. Yeah, the quest for power is dangerous.
I know. I know that I must find you here.
Huh? Ifekante, my very good friend, the crown prince of our kingdom. It is you that I create. Is it? I went to the palace, to give you wonderful gist. And you were not in the palace. And I said, Kedebo, I said, no, let me come here. That you must be here because this is your waiting place with the Neka. What are you doing here? Ah! You are waiting for Neka. Your Neka. If any Nawa, if any Nawa, you know, Jenny. Please, if I can. Eh? Ah! Chiro, if you can take. Okay. Eh? What is it? Talk to me, what is the problem? Eh? Because The last time I saw you like this was when your mother died. So, what is the matter with you? Talk to me now. No, talk to me. I'm your... Listen, I am your friend. It is me, Okunka, the son of Umbadi. Will talk to me. Kelebodeje. If I can tell... Please, if I can tell... What is going on? Give me this idiot. If I can tell... Table Jesse. Go back on. And then come to meet him on Apple. Neka Janolo. This must be. If it didn't want you would this idiot. If it didn't Neka, if I can tell. You see? This is why I agree to myself that I must be with a maiden that throws herself at me. Eh? It can only be Neka, probably Neka has refused to allow this Ifekante to wear the Nazi. It becomes a problem. Yes!
Nkechi, that is the truth. I do not know why, but I don't just like her. I don't. Neka, please, don't put us into trouble. I mean, Mbago is wed. That woman can actually hear us from wherever she is.
This is just my problem with all of you in this village. Why are you attaching so much power to that schemer? She is a witch. And the earlier you all unmask her for who she is, the better for all of us.
Alright. Neka, please. I am in a better position to tell you this, and two for free.
Okay.
Mbago is not a schemer. She's a woman that controls so much powers. That is why everyone is afraid of her. I mean, why are we even in my heart discussing her?
Because the king sent words across to me saying that he wants to discuss something about Mbago with me.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Have you gone to see him?
That is where the problem is. I do not like that woman. I don't want to be seen discussing about her. No.
But that is exactly what we are doing right now. In my heart.
What do you mean? I am not discussing her. I just mentioned her because of the king's invitation. I don't like her. Not one bit.
Okay, fine. You don't like her. Accepted. Can we go now? Let's go.
Never. Never. It cannot happen. No. How can this be? Yeah? No. Chiro, if you can take. Did she cast a spell on the king? Yeah? No. What made him agree to such condition?
That is what I have been asking myself. But my father has kept on telling me that it is for the kingdom.
What? What exactly is for the kingdom? No, tell me what exactly is for the kingdom. Ha! Hey! If you can tell, something is wrong somewhere.
My thought.
Exactly my thought.
But the question now is, how do we find this out and expose it? How do we do that?
What about Neka? Have you told her yet?
You do not expect me to tell her this? No. Her word will be torn apart, considering the fact that I am the first to part her waters. She will lay a curse on me and my entire generation.
This is why I have never agreed to take the virginity of any maiden in this kingdom.
Because I don't want anyone laying curses on me. I'm telling you. Because if you succeed in parting their waters, wow, any small mistake from you, I will lay a curse on you. Can you stop
this? Stop this nonsense and focus on the issue. Be reasonable here. Just be reasonable. Say something meaningful.
Oh, well, you are right. You are right. Let us focus on the issue. Yes. Ha! Oh, my friend. My friend. If I can take...
Will you shut up?
But this is not...
Just stop! Stop!
We're not the one that said that...
The question is, what do we do? What do we do? Stop all this nonsense.
Yes. Old people should know that we are young. But we are not foolish. Can you follow it? We are old enough to take decisions for ourselves. I'm trying to focus on the issue. Do you understand? I have left the part of taking virginity. Let us just focus on the issue. They should know that we are old enough to take care of ourselves.
What are we going to do?
That I'm saying. It is.
No, you're not saying anything.
It is madness. This is madness. But we are going to find solution for this madness. You understand?
Okay.
Don't worry. Oh, you're my president. Don't worry. I am with you. We will sort all this nonsense and then focus, destroy it, focus on it, destroy the madness, and then Kim. What I want to tell you now, whatever decision that you take, let me know. I am with you. It's a promise.
I humble myself before the great king.
Greetings, my king.
Before the great king of Oendida kingdom. May your reign continue to be blissful, my king.
It was yesterday, when the sun was in the middle of the sky, that I summoned you to appear before the king. Why are you arriving now?
A woman in her circle is not supposed to appear before the king. It ended the day before yesterday. I wanted to be sure and qualified to see the king.
You are indeed grounded, a daughter of the soil. You are knowledgeable in the rules. And those are part of the reasons I approved your union with my son. Please be seated.
Thank you, my king.
I actually sent for you because everything has changed.
What changed, my king?
There are new developments.
What new development are you talking about, Your Majesty?
Do you mean to say my son has not said anything to you?
No, he didn't say anything to me. What is it that you're talking about?
That's very strange. Well, if the prince of Oendida kingdom, who should be the one talking, has refused to do so, the king of Oendida will. The marriage between you and the prince of Oendida has been cancelled. And that is because the groom has found a better bride.
What are you talking about, Your Majesty?
I want to believe you heard me clearly. And by this information, a royal restriction is here placed, forbidding you from coming anywhere near this palace with any other attachment, apart from a subject. Am I understood?
Your Majesty, you cannot do this to me.
Well, I have said what I said. And what I said is final. Don't disobey this instruction.
Please, stop crying. Neka, it's okay now, please. Because,
Asam, what is it? What is wrong? Why are you crying? Are you okay? What happened? Please talk to me. What happened to her? Say something, please. Why is she crying?
Good is in there. Don't name me. And as for you, Prince, why did you ever tell my daughter that you were going to marry her when all you wanted was to use her and dump her for another woman?
Nay. How can you say a thing like that? No. I can't even commit such indecent act. I can't try it, not against my Neka. Please.
Please, my prince cannot. Now listen, don't name me. I am not your mother. Go and ask your father who humiliated my daughter here, all because of you. Let me tell you, we are not beggars. I don't care about your wealth. Take it elsewhere, but leave us alone. Now leave and don't come back here again. Did you get that? Leave!
But please do not be offended. Can you tell us why she is crying?
You heard me now, didn't you? I said, let him go and find out from his father.
What wrong have I ever done? What? What wrong has that innocent maiden done to you that you have decided to cause her and her family pain? Why?
Why are you barking like a dog? I am your father. I am only helping you. I have not done anything wrong. I tried to make things easy for her by telling her about your new bride. That is all.
I did not ask you, father. I needed not your help. Why are you tearing me apart? Why are you doing this? Listen, father, I want you to keep that maiden and her family out of your dishonesties. Please!
You are actually the one who is tearing them apart with your stupidity. I have made a decision concerning your marriage, and that decision is final.
And that decision I have been trying so hard to understand. Please, can you explain it to me?
I found another bride for you. The one I believe is best for you, for us to secure the future of this family.
I will not
settle for that one, and everything will be all right.
Father, I will not marry that woman. A woman who has been commanding powers and has remained the same since I was a child.
The more reason you have to settle for her, because she is powerful. She is going to help you navigate the difficult terrain by the time you are king. Listen, your marriage to Mbago is already settled, and there is nothing you can do about it. Can you understand it?
I have seen how stubborn and difficult you are. I wait for you, father.
Son, do not make the mistake of squaring up to me. Because I'm going to forget the fact that you are my son. I will break you and break your bones.
My love, please, listen to me.
Listen to you about what? What else do you want me to listen to? You want me to listen to the fact that you and your father conspired to take my virginity, making me believe that you want to marry me, only for you to abandon me for another woman. A woman old enough to be your mother. A witch at that.
No. Listen to me. It was all my father's idea. I never consented to this. I did not. You are the one I want. You are the one I want to marry. You are the one I love. Please, I cannot do anything to hurt you.
But you're already married to her. Ain't you?
I am not. I swear on my mother's grave. I cannot marry another woman. I can't even think of it. You are the one I truly want in my life. Not that woman. No. Please. Listen.
Are you saying that you are going to sort this out and then marry me?
I am going to sort everything out and I'll make sure you are safe. Nothing will happen to you.
And then marry me?
Yes. And marry you.
Quest of power is dangerous.
I trust you.
The hunger for power is dangerous. Yeah,
I'm sorry.
The quest for power is dangerous.
I'm sorry.
What and what do you hear people say about me?
The people of this land are so afraid of you that they hardly speak of you in our presence.
Some even believe you have powers to hear them when they speak about you in their houses.
Interesting. And do you believe what they say about me?
We don't believe that, but they have come to believe because of how you carry yourself.
So how do I carry myself? Huh?
I am going to say what I once heard Ono say. He said that Mbago of Oendida is married to a demon of death. And that is why she defined death.
Seriously? Let me ask three of you. Am I evil?
No.
Okay. I'm going to tell you a secret. I, Mbago, will become the king of this land. And it's during my reign that I will compensate three of you for working for me. Thank you.
That would be so nice.
This is the king's last warning. Get your daughter to stay away from the prince. Else,
you are intimidating us for nothing. My daughter has nothing to do with the royal family anymore.
So where is she? I'm sure she's somewhere planning evil against the king. Let her not better try it, for it will be disastrous.
Now take my words to the king. The gods will always fight for the just.
Beautiful Mbago. Welcome to my abode. Why have you come in unannounced? Where are your mates?
I'm here to see the prince. Where is my husband?
Can you please take it easy? He is not in the palace. He went out to see his friend Ohunka, but he will be back before nightfall.
I'll be back here this time tomorrow. Make sure he's at home. And as for the Omambala coronation, it is this time next week. Okay? And I will be here for the rituals.
Thank you, wise one. I will be with you patiently.
Who will save us? Who will liberate us?
What do you think?
You know, there is really nothing you can do to bring him back.
Mother, the prince is not into this. The king is the one pushing him into this, and I know that he will not break my man. He won't.
Do you really know who the king of Oendida is? This is connected to his ambition, and he will do anything to get to it. Please, my daughter, let go.
Mother, you will not understand. I love this man. He's the love of my life. He is my first love. I cannot live without him. How do you expect me to let go of him just like that? Is that easy? It's not that easy, Mother. It's not.
I know it's difficult, my dear. It's difficult. But what can you do? Fight the king? Of course not. Or confront Mbago, that evil woman. I will not allow them kill you for me. You are all I've got. You are my only child. Please, let's go.
Mother, the mere fact that that evil woman is involved in this is enough reason for me to stay back and fight for my man. Yes.
You mean confront Mbago, then have my entire family wiped off? Neka, please. Please,
Mother,
let go.
stop. You're giving this woman so much credit. She is nothing. And coming for my man is going to be the end of her. Because I will destroy her. I will.
Neka, Biko, no. Have pity on your mother. Biko. My only child, please. Don't allow them destroy you or take you away from me.
Nobody is going to destroy me, Mother. You don't have to be scared of that witch. She cannot destroy me.
She's evil. I'm scared for our lives. Please.
Do you know that if I have a friend that lives in the same village with me and has refused to check up on me for 5 good days, I will know that person is not a friend?
True. Nkechi, let me understand what you are saying. Let me just understand exactly what you are saying. That I am a bad friend to the prince? Is that what you are trying to say?
Are you a good friend? No, answer me. Are you a good friend to the prince? How can you live in the same town with your friend for 5 good days and you refuse to check up on him? You're not even bothered in any way. Are you a friend?
Stop that nonsense. What nonsense is that now? Huh? Please, because stop twisting this. Stop. Do not make it appear as if I am a bad friend to the prince. I am not. It was the king who ordered me out because he felt I was misleading the prince. No.
Okay. Since you knew you were not in any way misleading the prince, why do you have to stay away from him for 5 days?
Does it mean that you did not hear what I said and the king ordered me out?
Listen to me. If anything should happen to the prince, listen to me again. If anything should happen to the prince in any way at all, the ancestors will definitely hold you responsible for it.
Because
Get out.
Idiot. No, Bako. No, Nchi. You want to get you? Chino, bia. I'm working at the aluku. I'm working at aluku. Esi. No, kawo. No, get you. Oh, the ancestors. Oh, you are not the ancestors. On go with the ancestors, get you. You. Get you. She's saying it to her.
Who will save us? Who
Lord.
will liberate?
Asị nwata na-ada elu ude na ọsị na-ana eli ude. Isi ya ke ndị li ude ni ọsị na-afa anwụfu.
Your Majesty, greetings, the revered king of Oendida.
Your reign is going to be forever.
Okunka, please, you may be seated.
Your Majesty, the urgency of what brought me here does not require me sitting.
Well, you are the one who should be encouraging the prince to obey the king always. You are the one saddled with that responsibility. Why are you slacking on that responsibility? Why are you not encouraging him to obey the king?
Your Majesty, just like his name says, that which is mightier than in day has entered in this house.
How do you mean?
Your Majesty, I am not going to paint walls. I am not going to. Your Majesty, it is now a matter of life or death. I'm telling you, based on what I've seen, Your Majesty, my friend Prince Kante is in a very serious trouble.
Trouble?
Yes.
What trouble are you talking about? What trouble?
Your Majesty, I have the confirmation that Mbago is using evil spells on my friend Prince Kante.
Do you actually want me to kill you before your time, Okunka? Before you stop getting involved in royal affairs? What is wrong with you? Are you sick in the head or what?
Your Majesty, this is a matter of life or death. I saw her.
You are the one that death will cripple. Let this be the very last time you will get involved in royal affairs. Okunka, you are not royalty. You are a fool who got attached to royalty by friendship. You are not part of royalty. And let this be the very last time you will step your foot into this palace to be discussing anything royalty. If you try it again, I am going to deal with you personally. Stand up. Stand up, I said, and then get out. If you say pim, hey, pull that sword and hey, hello!
Honestly, I find it difficult to understand what is going on. She wants to make him her husband. And she's casting a spell on him. Why? How?
That explains why the prince does not want to see anyone again. Listen, I saw it with my very eyes. The prince becomes weak. I'm telling you, suddenly becomes weak the moment she appears. I'm telling you, the moment she appears, and then
he loses control over himself. And then that idiot that called herself Mbago dragged him into the hut. I'm telling you.
Honestly, I really do not want to disobey my mother. Because she wanted me to stay away from the royal family.
No, Neka, no. No. Some orders are not meant to be obeyed. Do you understand? You are the one that the prince genuinely loves. You know. Do you understand? So I urge you to rise up and save the prince before that idiot kills him.
Have you told the king?
I did, but he never believed me. If you see the way he walked me out of his presence. Hey, Myanmar! You are a nobody. You are a son of nobody. No pain, I will personally do if you see the way.
That's because he has a hand in it. He knows what is going on.
Shut up. Just shut up there. What do you mean? What's the problem? Do you know the kind of problem that you want to incur to yourself? How can you accuse the king without being sure? The king of Oendida.
I swear on my life. The prince is being manipulated. And the king knows everything about it. He knows.
What are you doing here this early? Has anyone offended you? You! I don't understand. What have I done?
Where is the prince?
The prince should be in his hut. I will send for him immediately.
Good.
Okudiri, my king.
Get me the prince immediately.
Good.
As you wishes, my king.
Moving around this thing actually means there's a problem.
What is it?